How to enable or disable sign-in option on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can disable or enable your sign-in password on Windows 10 or 11. Well, step is quite easy and simple if you are on Windows 11, but if you are on Windows 10, the steps are pretty similar. So let's get on with the video. Simply head over to your Start. Now, once on Start, search for NETPLWIZ. Now you'll get an option like this. Open it, and here you'll get an interface like this, and on the interface untick this option where it's written user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Now untick it and click on apply. Now it will ask you for your password. Type in your password twice and click on OK. Now once you do this, it will be applied, and if you restart your computer, it will probably apply and it will not ask for your sign-in password. Now if you want to enable this again, you can simply click on this again and click on apply, and this way you can enable or disable your sign-in password on Windows 10 or 11. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.